Another tour from the display detective. Thought I'd do a voiceover on this video. Just going through a walkthrough at the Yagoona showroom of the Sylvania 65. This particular construction is half cladded, half brick veneer. As you can see here on the tiles, it's a terrazzo themed tile that's also in the main house. Very lovely tile. Got the plantation shutters on the windows, standard cornices. You got the built-in cupboard. I think that's a extra and not included in the price. You got your ducted aircon and the stone bench top. I believe this is called the Allegro. I'll do a little zoom in of that for you. Coming over, we've got the stainless steel undermount kitchen sink, which I think would last a lot longer than the painted styles. And come over and you'll see the same kitchen theme with the navy blue and the wood stain. The induction cooktop right there, looks like that's an included oven that comes with. Let's head over to the bathroom. As you can see, this is the semi-frameless shower screen, which I think looks a lot better and I think will hold water in a lot better as well. I'll get a close-up of the lip, which is probably an extra centimetre longer than the frameless style. You get your niche there with some of the promos just thrown in. There's a nice lip there. There's no floor wastes, so this is a new building standard that is no longer a requirement. I think it's quite a disappointment not to put that in. You never know when an emergency happens, especially here with the laundry as well, which could also help mitigate the leaks and if there's any flooding at any point. This is an overmount stainless steel sink. I think it's a lot better than the undermounts, probably easier to keep clean and tidy. Here's your plumbing connections in a sec underneath the sink. I'm planning to do a fair few more walkthroughs of other brands and other companies' homes, so be sure to subscribe and follow. Just coming through to the bedroom here, just so you can get an understanding of the size. Not very big, but it's enough for a bed. And that built-in wardrobe there, that's a sliding style. In the other room you'll see the door in a minute. Those cupboards closed, tuck away nicely. And this is the second bedroom in the granny. Hope you liked it. See you next time.